Model number is a Canon G3000. So I'm going to turn on this printer. First you check this, all these pipes having ink, and this so guys, printer is in ready position now. Printing test print. You see this color print or no black and white, full completely blank page. So guys, first you check all pipes are filled. If these pipes are empty, you need to clean a head cleaning mode or deep cleaning mode in the computer option. So guys, you need to go in device and printers and search your Canon printer. So the Canon printer model number is G3000. So right click this printer icon and click on printing preference. And now so guys, you see quick setup, main setup and printer. You need to go in maintenance option, and you see many options in there: cleaning, deep cleaning and system cleaning. If your printer not using 2 months, 3 months, you need to clean a deep cleaning. And if your pipes are completely empty, so try a deep cleaning. So guys, I'm in BK and CMY all colors. Start cleaning. Wait for 10 minutes and again try a test print. Printers are option. So I see printer maintenance is on. Wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, try again a printing. So I pause this video. So guys, you see a stable green light. Now again a test print. Print, check print option. You see guys, all black is printing. Now again I print.